There were quite a few articles which have come up in the last 6 months, which have really documented the influence which companies like Temu and Shein have had really on the e-commerce businesses and the impact on the margins that they have had. Uh, Now, one of the things which really needs to be understood very clearly is both of them, they really are what I would call a future forward company, and they are competing based on their business models or the unique business models as such. So, understandably, for the companies which have been the traditional leaders in this space, companies like, let us say, Lulu's or Saks or any of these companies, it becomes a struggle because unless and until their business model is able to compete with this innovative, unique business model that Timu and Sheen have, it really becomes difficult for them to win the game. The entire retail e-commerce business is going through a massive squeeze. It's called a double squeeze. One, the prices are coming down, the margins are shrinking. At the same time, the advertising cost is going up. How do you really combat that? There are only two ways. One, really double down on really defining your brand purpose very clearly and really build a community of evangelists around that. The second way, identify the right type of customers who can be a part of this community or the brand evangelist community. And then to really do that in a predictable manner so that you don't not just it's not really a spray and pray situation. You have to really invest in AI technologies which can really do it much better than a classic RFM model or some of the classic database modeling sort of situations and so on. And that's where Netlexer has a solution called Elixir Insights, which can help businesses predictably identify high value customers from live customer data stream on the website.